What's going on, guys, and welcome to Right Now Powder Coating's channel. In today's video, we're going a little bit different. Don't get me wrong, we're still going to show you guys powder coating, but I'm going to show you some other stuff that I've got going on, and we're going to be getting into the Silverado reconditioning, build, all that kind of stuff. Today, we are going to be going through my garage. I'm going to show you guys what we just got in from Vevor. Hose reel for the wall, and we're going to get that mounted up today, and then we're going to do a tour of my garage here at home. I don't know if you've noticed, but the color scheme kind of travels with me. So let's get this thing on the wall from Vevor. This thing's looking pretty stout. I'm excited to get it mounted to go along with all the other tools that we got on. As you can see, we've got a really nice case here. This is your hose size on the retractable reel. It's got a nice guide in there to guide the hose back so it lays back down nice and even. Got enough hose back here to get to your spigot. When we did this garage, we actually put in hot and cold. My wife thought I was crazy, but when it gets a little bit colder, you guys that wash cars, you know you want that hot water. We also put a drain in the garage on this side. This is kind of my side. So if I wanted to hand wash a car, we could do that, and that's actually why we're putting in this. It's nice to have a pressure washer, but sometimes you don't want to blow water everywhere, so having something on a normal garden hose is going to be perfect. Was not originally planning on mounting something like this, but when Vevor reached out, I knew exactly what I wanted to do with it. So we're going to put it right here between our pressure washer and our cabinet. It won't move much, but it'll give us enough we can get the hose out, wash the car. The wife can get out front and water some of her plants. Should be perfect for that. We do have the vacuum mounted. We've got our extension cord on a reel over here too. So my goal is to have everything I need in the garage mounted to the wall, retractable, so that we don't have to mess with all that. If anyone knows me, my dad always had Craftsman, so that's why you're going to see a lot of Craftsman in my garage. Nice big 80-gallon air compressor. Just installed this hose reel as well. We're going to run some piping back to the wall and then back and around so that we can have some quick connects and stuff in it, but I want to get some air filters too. I've never actually had this set up properly, and if you know from powder coating, you have got to keep your air nice and dry, no oil, no water, anything like that. This is basically exactly what my mind looks like 24/7, by the way, guys. Just a wreck. It's a mess. Anyways, back to this. We're going to go ahead. We're going to drill out the wall so that these, I don't know what you call them. Why can't I think of the damn name? These little inserts, whatever. God, I can't think of the name. Will work, and then we'll bolt them on. This is super easy to do. So they've really thought it out pretty well. We're going to go ahead, put this up against the wall, mark all of our holes, drill our holes, set the bracket. This will go on. You bring this over, slide it over, drop your pin. It's done. Pretty simple, not that much to it. Super quick and easy. Check them out. We'll put a link in the video down below so you guys can get your own. All right, so now all we gotta do is get a little split for down there so we can hook up this at the same time as this. Then you got her on the reel. First time pulling it. We don't screw around here, boys. Actually, it tilts more than I thought. Look at this. I really don't know how many feet they sent me, but I'm out in the driveway here. Dang, that's a lot of hose. This will work. We're gonna go back in. There's the winter project. It's 87 that we put a lift kit on. Headlights, tail lights, new wheels and tires. I have a new seat for it, I just haven't put it on there. New mat, new steering wheel, which the alignment is super far off. I gotta get that fixed. Added a rear bench seat, and then I broke the exhaust, so she's loud now. That was fun. There is still a ton of hose, it looks like. Yeah, there's still a ton. All this. I probably should have looked at the box before I threw it away to see how many feet they gave me, but it's over 50. Yeah, this will work. Holy cow. Yeah, she'll be able to get all of the front, all the way around the edge. Hell, we could set up a sprinkler out here if we had to, all from the garage. Then we have another house spigot over there I'm watering out on that side. And then we have another one in the way back corner, which that'll be another video for another day. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let's see how this thing reels. It's doing pretty good. Oh, it got caught on the golf cart. It's actually, I get nervous with these self-reeling things because I worry that they won't go back and forth smoothly. It's doing a good job. Nice. Well, I want to thank Vevor for sending me that hose reel. It's going to be awesome to be able to just pull it out, rinse things off, get things looking good. Yeah, scrub these floors here. That's another project I did last November. Had to put in a little checkered pattern here in the middle. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to do more of this outside of powder coating just to kind of broaden the view of the channel. But don't worry, we are still going to be doing powder coating stuff. So that is not going away. Make sure to stay subscribed. I know some of you guys end up jumping off the ship once you see these videos, but that's fine too. Whatever. Anyways, we'll catch you guys on the next one. If you have any questions about any of the other stuff I've got going on in here, just let me know. I'm always happy to share. That's another project we did. We put heat in the garage so I can use it in the wintertime. Unfortunately, I didn't get that set up until about March. So we didn't do much in the garage this last winter, but we've got my 78 Corvette coming back. I've been working on the Silverado. I've got the S10 project, and I don't have anywhere to work on anymore because both shops are full of powder coating. So the goal is we can work on here until I build my shop out back. So got NASCAR on the TV, enjoying a beautiful Saturday. Hope you guys are having a good weekend as well. We'll catch you on the next.